How to make money using social media. 1. Influencer marketing. Build a following on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, then collaborate with brands to promote their products or services to your audience. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate links on your social media channels. You earn a commission for each sale made through your unique link. 3. Create and sell digital products. Develop and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or digital artwork directly to your followers. 4. Offer services. Utilize your expertise in areas like consulting, coaching, graphic design, or writing, and promote your services through social media platforms. 5. Sponsored posts. Partner with brands to create sponsored content. You can receive payment for featuring their products or services in your posts.